Gicunji kia 30 harĩ igana kia atumia aria mohada kaunti-ini ya Murang'a maheagirwo ciana micii-ini, undu uria ucungiriirie kuongerereka kwa ikuu cia ciana hindi ya guciarwo, kuona aria mateithagiriria mihang'o-ini ino matire na utaaramu wa kuigana.
Indexes were not very positive. We had quite a number of women who are still delivering at home, which is not good, it's not healthy. We can lead to high infant mortality rate. And you are risking the life of a mother if you deliver at home. You are risking the life of the child if you deliver at home. And other developmental problems that usually come after for where you conduct home deliveries.
It's something called MMR, maternal mortality ratio, was 103. MMR 103. The internationally acceptable level is 70. So we are 33 higher than the normal.
Kuhitukira tafarira iria uruguritio ni ngavana wa kaunti-ini Irungu Kang'ata, riu atumia aria mohete ni mariamukagira uteithio wa kibesha niguo kumahotithia kwamukira motungata makinyaniru mbere ona hindi ya kuheo ciana.
We shall be doing what we call transport reimbursement of 1,000 for each visit if you are pregnant for 7 months and above. And also during delivery we shall give you 2,000. And the reason is, one, there are many mothers who have been delivering at home because of lack of transport reimbursement. They can't afford transport to the nearest maternity.
Maafitha a ugima mwega wa mwiri matũra-ini nio mekuhuthika kwandikithia atumia aya kuhitukira thimu na otaguo marigitari aria maraheana motungata thibitari-ini itiganite.
We are concerned particularly getting those mothers who generally don't come to the facility. Bring them as early as possible to the hospital so that they can get trained education. They can also get on how to take care of themselves, the baby, the nutrition, the family planning, and many other things that are necessary for both the mother and the baby's welfare during pregnancy and delivery.
Margaret Jerry kuma itura ria Kimandi na Julia Wajiko kuma itura ria Gatonyo ni matariirie urito munene uria atumia mageragira magikamukira motungata maya, kuona matura-ini maingi thibitari ni maraihireirie.
Tulikuwa na shida mingi juu ya kukosa pesa ya hospitali, pesa ya nini. Sasa saa hii gavana wetu alituambia tutapata pesa ya chakula, pesa ya kutusaidia kutununulia vitu. Sasa tukakuwa tuna furaha.
It's really helping kwa sababu mama mjamzito ataweza kujipanga during hiyo process ya kubeba mimba na hadi kupata mtoto.
Hadwini Kameme TV, jitagwo Gina wa Wadiro.
We assess them, we observe